In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Gmail, an updated guide that's going to make your Gmail experience brighter and easier to navigate. Whether you're new to Gmail or just need to adjust your settings, this guide will walk you through the process step by step with clarity and ease. First, let's get started by opening Gmail. To do this, head over to your internet browser and type in gmail.com in the address bar. If you're not automatically signed in, you'll need to log into your Gmail account using your email address and password. Make sure you're in the inbox and ready to go. If you're seeing the dark mode in all its shadowy depth and you want to switch back to the light side, here's how you do it. Once you're in Gmail, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the quick settings panel on the right side of your screen. The quick settings panel is a handy tool for making quick changes to the appearance and functioning of your Gmail without having to dive too deep into settings. Now, with the quick settings panel open, the next spot to focus on is the theme section. You'll see an option labeled theme and you're going to want to click on view all. Doing this will bring up a range of theme options that Gmail offers, including a light theme, a dark theme, and even some custom images. Your goal here is to select the theme labeled white, which is the default light theme. Once you've selected it, be sure to hit save to confirm your choice. Your inbox will shift immediately back to light mode, offering a more conventional and eye-friendly appearance for those bright and sunny days. For those of you encountering persistent dark mode issues due to your browser or operating system settings, there's an optional step to consider. If you're using Chrome and Gmail keeps reverting to dark mode, navigate to Chrome/Settings, Appearance. Under the theme section here, select the option for light. Additionally, if you're using Windows 11 or Mac OS and suspect your system-wide setting is influencing Gmail, be sure to double-check these settings as well. On a Windows machine, you can adjust it by going to Settings, then Personalization, then Colors, and from there choose light. For macOS, head to System Settings, then Appearance, and select light. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to switching off dark mode in Gmail. Enjoy the fresh, lightened look of your inbox. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more straightforward tips and tricks to enhance your digital life.